Ano po kansang kamay sa binutusan ni Vice Mayor di Probinsya ti Abra ni Bukay Vice Mayor Jojo Sales ang mga idaulo di Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines Abra Chapter. Vice President ni Daguman Vice Mayor Marcelo Padilla, Secretary ni Bangged Vice Mayor Alan Seares, Treasurer ni Tinayg Vice Mayor Corintia Crisologo, Auditor ni Tubo Vice Mayor Gilbert Balyangan, PRO ni Villaviciosa Vice Mayor Jose Lagen Jr. idinto Board of Directors dagiti sumaganad. Danglas Vice Mayor Attorney Russell Bragas, Bolinay Vice Mayor Benipas Balawas, La Paz Vice Mayor Jolbert Timbresa, ken Peñarobia Vice Mayor Laura Ramirez. Dagos na nay proklama ken nagsapata iti sangwanan ni Vice Governor Ann Bersamin ken imatangan ni Congressman J.B. Bernos.
Vice Mayor of State your LG. Having been elected to the position of state your position.
In behalf of the Governor, thank you very much ta Shakti Napilida, Presidente iti Vice Mayor League. Iti may bagat kada kayo amin, kakadwak na Vice Mayor, nyaman iti pagsayatan maited iti tulong dagiti bobos tayo kay aramidek met amin akas presidente yo tapno tigasta napimpintas we unite as one.
Kalikagom ni Vice Mayor Sales hindi pa nakapipiksa pa iti ligada para itinado pa yung progreso may paay. Bigbigyan ba ni Congressman J.B. Bernos ken Vice Governor Ann Bersamin iti kinapiksa ti liga ken namnamay na di puwersa para itinado pa yung pagsayaatan.
This is the strongest organization of local executives or of elected officials in the province right now. Well, your organization has a former governor in the person of Attorney Russell, as a former Vice Governor in the person of Vice Mayor Alan, former Mayor Peping Lagen, former Mayor Gilbong Balyangan, former Mayor Alejo Domingo, former Mayor Corintia Crisologo, former Mayor Mel Paksa, former Mayor Garde Cardenas, former Mayor Ano Bisares, former Mayor Jong Atmosfera, former Mayor Nestor Bersamina, former Mayor Mars Padilla.
Your commitment is inspiring. We are confident that you will lead a positive change to the province of Abra.
In paramnama may tikabarbaro at DILG Regional Director, itinana isuporta manipot kinakwada.
Napakahalaga ng role po ninyo, importante magkakasama kayo. Meaning united yung ating legislative at executive para maisulong po talaga yung development ng ating mga bayan dito sa Abra.
Kabayatan na, inpeksamen ni Kong J.B. Bernos iti suportana iti panagbaling nga autonomy iti Rehiyon Cordillera. Inalukoy ng dignopisyal iti panang suportana iti rungalong gabot ang mamati ang makaipaay daytoy iti adadupay a progreso.
Let us support datoy autonomy ti Cordillera. Suportaran tayo datoy, suportaran tayo. Cultivated na kada tayo. We will have our own chance to takno samantalayan tayo, tikada dagiti natural resources tayo, takno makapag-generate tayo ti funding in addition ti dagiti agapo ti national government kasi dayjay. And of course, when we will have our autonomy, ado iti foreign countries nga mayat nga tumulong kada tayo, just like what's happening in Mindanao. This is a golden opportunity for us, Cordilleras. Tapno suportaran tayo ti Cordillera Autonomy.
Archie Lorenzo, Balitang, Solid North.